Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to sell USDT on Gate.io P2P. So for this purpose, first you need to open Gate.io on your browser at your PC. Once you open Gate.io at your PC, then at the top you can see many options. Just click on Buy Crypto. Once you click on Buy Crypto, then this page will pop up. Here you have three options: Express, P2P Trading and Gate Card. Just tap on P2P Trading. Then wait for at least 2 to 3 seconds, then this type of page will appear. Here you have two options, buy and sell. By default, it is selected as buy. You need to tap on sell. Then here you can see the option of USDT, BTC, ETH and other cryptos. You need to tap on USDT. Then enter the amount of USDT that you want to sell. And then by clicking on it, you can select the currency of your country. Then you have the option of all payments. Click on it, then this page will pop up. Here you can see some payment methods like bank card, Mizan Bank and United Limited Bank. Choose any of bank by your own. Then here you can see some merchants to whom you can sell your USDT. Select the merchant with 90% above. And here you can see many merchants to whom you can sell your USDT and they will pay you. So this way you can sell USDT on Gate.io P2P. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press bell icon. If you have any question related to it, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.